Yo, it's your boy King Steel. I'm back again with another amazing video, and today I would like to talk to you guys about a new service that I bring to King Steel Production, which is the drone service. Right, yeah, so I have a Maverick Platinum Pro, which is one of the best drones out there. They have different types, but I picked this one because it suits best for me. I've been to fly this drone for the past 2 months, and the experience is so crazy and breathtaking. Being able to fly bird's eye view 500 feet, seeing the reef, the landscape, sunset, and different types of things is so crazy. If you could look for somebody with this service, yeah, so your search stop right here, reach out to me, let's sit down and have a briefing. I'd love to hear your idea. I want to bring it to life. I have different types of services like videography, photography, graphic designs, etc. If you're interested in any one of those services, reach out to me and let's get to work. I'm King Steel. I'm always bringing something new. I can't wait. See you guys soon.